So I got a 21-inch Toro power clean, power propel snowblower. Came in a box. Slightest little bit of assembly. It wasn't bad at all. The handle here folds down. It was folded down. You had to fold it up and tighten these bolts. This little clasp to hold the pull start, you need to tighten that, put that on and tighten it. And then on the chute, there are 3 bolts. You just put those down in it, tighten those 3 bolts, and it's all put together. I like the way this chute works. It operates really easily. Quick public service announcement for you. If you got a fire hydrant on your property, you should clear it out. That helps out the fire department so they can spot the hydrant, gives them some room to work to hook up the hose. And even if you're a cop and you don't like firemen, you don't want to make their job easier, it'll help all your neighbors out so they can get a water supply quicker. Thanks.